Yo, this VC right here. All day, every day. Check me out. Look. I tell them rappers they can bleed too. I snatch you up and kill you, getting money off of these, putting stacks in my EVs. Speaking at you weak rappers cause you piddle. You talking about why you shooting at me? Bitch, I'm trying to hit you. Got me some young bucks trying to get some young dope. I understand why you spitting your medals for, but keep spitting. I'm spitting this metal for. I'm getting money, dummy. So don't confuse it with your loser friends, because I'm running with this gun again, and I'm all about my money, man. Yeah, you can call me the money man, cause fuck a block, I set up shop up in the minivan. Pussy, and my gun make beats like Dr. Dre. For real, man, you niggas just pussies, you niggas just actors, and I will whack you. So we ain't gonna take the beef outside, cause the burners that I'm holding how your ass seeking chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. I got a coupe, sitting on 22s, hit the block to show you niggas what the money do. So if you talk shit, you will get dealt with. Talk shit when you fucking with the money clip.